Let me show you how to optimize your content for AI search. Now, in 2025, AI is more important than it ever has been. It's really important for your company to get a good grasp of how it is performing in terms of AI searches and some gaps on how it could perform better. I'm going to show you how to do all of that using my partner SEMrush's SEMrush One. Now, all you need to do is click on the link down in the description. The link is right here. All I need to do is click on it and you'll be able to see I can get 7 days completely free. So just sign up, get those 7 days for free, see if it helps you out. Now, I'll show you how to find that information. After you've gone to semrush.com, you'll be able to see on the left-hand side, we're going to go to AI visibility. It's really helpful to go to visibility overview and brand performance, all this stuff, but let's go to site audit. Now, within the site audit, you're going to enter in your website and company. And I'm just going to use just this random example of a nursery nearby, plantdelights.com. Now, a really helpful option is to go into AI search health. And you can see it says 80%, which is fairly good for this one website. But you can see there are 111 issues that could help me perform better in terms of AI search. So I'm going to tap on those issues here. Now it will pop up with various things. So you can see 100 links have no anchor text and a couple of other things. I would really focus on certain ones like require content optimization. And I can tap on those 2 new issues. And you'll be able to see on here, it'll give you an idea of how you can basically optimize these pages to be better for Google search or AI search, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, all of that. Now on here, you can see the paragraphs are too long. Shorten your paragraphs while long form content can be beneficial. Excessively long paragraphs make it harder to scan and analyze text. And on this other one, again, it says paragraphs are too long. And then I can go back to all of the issues. I can go to any of these different things to get an idea of how to improve it related to my AI search visibility on your specific company. And then you can always go to the overview and you can go to other issues that you might have in terms of your site health, the crawled pages, whether you're blocked from any AI searches. You can see in this case, it is not blocked by any of those. But again, I can scroll down and get an idea of actionable insights on how to improve my website so that it will show up better for AI searches.